Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am on the way to my local Dollar Tree real quick to do a quick Dollar Tree haul and show you guys tips that I do to help keep my house smelling fresh, all on a Dollar Tree budget. Because let's be honest, times is tough out here right now for a lot of folks and everybody's money is tight, and unless you that dude that owns Amazon, you broke. So I will be right back and show you guys some tips and tricks that I use. Okay, Dollar Tree always has so many choices of candles and all of them smell great. But I don't really like the idea of having lit candles all over the place, for safety reasons. So I tend to go to these wax melts. These are my favorite things to buy. And the one that I'm loving right now is this apple melon. It smells so yummy. And look at the size of these things. They are huge. Now this lavender one, I'm currently using it in my bedroom warmer right now. And it has my room smelling so soothing. It puts me to sleep every time. I recently became obsessed with the eucalyptus smell for some reason. Now the double fragrance ones, sometimes both of the scents smell really good, but other times one side smells good and the other side just stank. So those are hit and miss.
Hey, sorry to interrupt, but I just wanted to remind you to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell so you'll never miss another video. Okay, let's get back to it.
Okay, what's next? The incense sticks. I don't buy these as often as I buy the wax melts because I don't ever really come across a fragrance that I really like too often, but they do come 40 in a pack, so once I do find a fragrance I like, I get excited because I know I'm getting a lot of sticks with it. And then one day at Dollar Tree I came across this little figurine that I figured that I could use it as a little incense stick holder. And it kind of works better for the little cones. It catches the ashes better, but either way, I love it. It's cute and stylish.
All I gotta say is these do not work, so no, don't even think about it. These Renew and Glade gel fresheners all work very well, but only in small spaces. I tend to keep one in my pantry, so every time you open the door, you have a nice fragrance that hits you. My fragrance of the month as of right now is Amber Wood. I've also used these Airwick stick-up fresheners before in my pantry, which also work just as well, if not better. But it has like a citrus smell to it. This fragrance was so strong, I stuck it to my air filter and put it into my air duct, and it was blowing this nice fruity citrus smell throughout the entire house. The smell lasted for about 2 weeks, and you get 2 in a pack, so 1 pack could last you a month. These Airwick sprays are pretty good, but I only use these when I need to run around the house real quick and freshen the house up when I have company walking through the door any moment, so they get that quick burst of fragrance. But other than that, that's it. And then I got my Arm & Hammer. I keep this in the refrigerator to, of course, fight off odors. Now let me tell you about these laundry boosters. I've been using these for years. See, what you do is you go into the baby shower or the wedding favor section of Dollar Tree and you get these little gift bags, these little party favor bags, and you fill these up with the laundry boosters. And you just simply put them in like your linen closet. In my case, I'm using my coat closet. I just put it on the door handle, close it. Every time I open the closet, it smells great. The scented trash bags. Now I like to use these in my bathroom trash cans because whenever I'm taking the trash out and I have something smelly inside the trash, I never smell it. I always smell lemon or roses or mountain breeze. So these are great for that. And you get so many in a pack. To freshen my floors, I usually get this 20 pack of Scrub Buddy sweeper cloths. And I will usually pair it with a bottle of Fabuloso floor cleaner or Law's Totally Awesome floor cleaner. Any of these brands would normally have my floors smelling so good. But since this past year, I've been rolling with anything that says antibacterial because of this little situation we've been in. So I've been getting this Pond Glow 64-ounce bottle of floor cleaner, and it's been having my floor smelling just as nice. And another thing that I like to use is this furniture polish that comes in orange and a lemon scent. And the scent doesn't really last too long, but I love the way that it polishes the furniture. It leaves a nice glow. All I have to say is if you have children or any pets in your house, it is a necessity that you buy either one of these. These automatic spray refills are also a big necessity for me for the bathrooms, especially my son's bathroom. Oh my gosh. I have every kind of scent there is: linen, lavender, Hawaiian breeze, cinnamon. I use them all. These sprays help me keep the bathroom smelling fresh without having to go in there and clean every day. And I love the fact that they were made to fit any automatic air freshener dispenser. If you've ever walked by these little bootleg poopery sprays and wondered if they actually work, I'm here to tell you they do. I keep these in a little basket in my guest bathroom in case company ever needs one.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I will catch you guys later. Bye.